Hello viewers, welcome to Tradables. So today Nifty just up by 27 points and it was created very small range about 110 points and one of the best closings and one of the record high, so 25,445, so today's high, and it was one of the best closings as well as best high. And when we observe today's observation points, so 3 out of 27 positive side and 1 out of 27. So entire day it was traded in tight range, so about 110 points range. And as per weekly data, so 15 out of 27 positive observations succeeded, and as per monthly data, 21 out of 27 observations succeeded. So last week we have 22 observations. So this week we added another 5 observations. So total 27 observations. So the more number of observations, so the decision making will be very strengthened. And here, as per daily, weekly, monthly data, daily is indicating hold and weekly it is showcasing buy signal and monthly it was in strong buy. So the final prediction from the Tradables, it is indicating about 73.5%, so which is indicating buy signal for Nifty. And Bank Nifty, it is very much strong. So last week data, it was about 52,000 mark, and today it was not first time, after many weeks it was closed above 52,000 mark for banks. So very much clearly showing strong buy for daily, weekly and monthly data. And IT also little bit neutral, but the longer time frames, daily and weekly and monthly, are very much buy to strong buy. And Fin Nifty also entire day it was consolidated somewhat in hold situation, but weekly and monthly are showcasing in buy to strong buy. Whereas in mid cap, so mid cap morning, it was since morning it was into strong sell zone. So weekly it was in hold and monthly it was in strong buy. Overall, the final prediction, it is indicating hold for Fin Nifty, mid cap select. And Reliance, so daily and weekly are in hold situation. So the final call, it is showing as hold. So when we compare all three major indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, all were closed above last month's high. So last month high somewhere 25,268 for Nifty. So today, not only today, since last 3 days, Nifty was closed above that point. And not only that one, so it was closed about 25,350 level. So this is third consecutive day which was closed above 25,350 mark and closed below 25,400 mark. So since last 3 days it was broken 25,400 level, but none of the days it was closed above 25,400 levels. So coming to major data points, Nifty 100% of last month's range was indicating 25,268. Since last 3 days, it was closed above that level, and the next probable number would be 25,592, which is close to 25,600 level as per Fibonacci retracement. And coming to the major support and resistance from the pivot points, so 25,650 to 25,700 would be the major resistance for September month. So if you want to expect further move, so it should close above 25,705. So before that, we have 25,600 and 25,608. There is an important hurdle as per the weekly's data. So overall, we have major hurdles in between 25,600 to 25,700. So if we want any day's candle closing above 25,700, that would lead to 26,000 level for the Nifty in 1 or 2 weeks, and 25,600 is going to be a major resistance. And coming to Bank Nifty, so first time after many weeks, Bank Nifty was closed above 52,000 mark, and last month high was indicating somewhere 51,877, which was very close to 52,000 mark. And the next probable numbers would be 52,400 and 52,726 for Bank Nifty. So coming to monthly data pivot points, so 52,000 267 to 52,334 would be the major resistance for Bank Nifty. So today's close was 52,153 and 52,200 was the today's high. So very close to monthly resistance points. And also as per weekly's data, 52,437 to 52,498. So 52,500 is one of the major hurdle for Bank Nifty. So we need to see if any day closes above 52,000, then we may expect another all-time high for Bank Nifty. So as of now, for Nifty, it would be major resistance in between 25,600 to 25,700. And for Bank Nifty, it would be 52,300 level to 52,500 level. So coming to IT, so IT also closed above last month's high, and today's close was somewhere 43,350. So 43,350 was in between 100% to 123.6% of last month's range. So now the probable number for the next level, it would be 44,100 to 44,850. And coming to major pivot points as per monthly's data, 44,300 to 44,500 would be the major resistance, and 44,000 level would be the major resistance as per weekly's data. So today's close to that level, we need another 650 points to 1000 points. So 44,000 to 44,500 would be the major resistance for IT. So coming to index movers, so today's sentiment wise, 25 out of 25 out of 50 are positive. So among that, ICICI Bank, L&T, NTPC, Axis Bank are the major contributors, and negative side, Bajaj Finance, Hindustan Unilever, ITC and SBI. So Nifty Plus, so we specially designed for the major indices at single glance. So Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, IET and Reliance. So as per today's intraday data, so Nifty closed 3 out of 27 positive observations, and Bank Nifty was 26 out of 27 positive observations succeeded, and IET 1 out of 27 and 6 out of 27 negative side. So Reliance is also just 7 out of 27 negative side only. So comparatively all three major indices, Nifty intraday was closed in neutral zone, and Bank Nifty was closed in clear upward momentum, and IET was in neutral zone. So overall, Nifty intraday was no much momentum, but it was closed above one of the important levels. So as per weekly's data, so Nifty is indicating upside, Bank Nifty is indicating upside, IT is also indicating upside, and Reliance is showcasing somewhat in neutral zone. So all three major indices as per last week's data and today's data, it is indicating upward momentum. So monthly also it is showcasing in same way. Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT are in upward momentum, and Reliance is showcasing it towards in downward momentum. So as per monthly's data, we need to take some more time to take the final call on Reliance. So still short-term trend is indicating neutral to downward momentum. So comparatively half yearly data, yearly data and quarterly data, all three time frames are indicating upward momentum for yearly. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, IET and Reliance also indicating upward momentum. So comparatively last quarter, so this quarter was somewhat okay. Every day it is creating new all-time highs. And coming to NSE, so here we have specially designed for only God charts. So weekly data, all three major indices is indicating upward momentum: Nifty, Bank Nifty, IET and Fin Nifty. So here it is showcasing buy signal for Nifty with 77.78% positivity, and Bank Nifty is also indicating very much strong buy with 92.6% positivity, and IET is indicating about 76% with buy mode, and Fin Nifty is also indicating about 77.8% with buy mode. So mid cap somewhat showcasing in hold situation, as well as Reliance 2, it is showcasing in hold. So coming to last 15 to 16 days data. So Nifty is in strong buy, Bank Nifty is in strong buy, and IET is in strong buy, and Fin Nifty is in strong buy, mid cap is in strong buy, Reliance is in sell mode. So Reliance Once if it enters into yellow zone, then only we may expect some what we call trend reversal. So as long as it holds in red zone, so we may not expect upward momentum. So when you observe the yearly data, yearly observations and yearly data, so 27 out of 27 positivity on Nifty, 27 out of 27 for Bank Nifty positivity, and IT also 27 out of 27, Fin Nifty also 27 out of 27, and Mid Cap 27 out of 27, and Reliance 26 out of 27 points. So coming to NSE++, so we specially designed NSE++ for all the major indices with speedometers and candles too. And here we have two separate sections, trader view and investor view. When you observe investor view, here we have all longer time frames like quarterly, half yearly and yearly. Whereas in trader view, we have daily, weekly and monthly. So the shorter time frames are indicating for the short-term momentum and short-term direction too. Whereas in investor view, we have all three longer term time frames which are talking about the very bigger momentums, how the next 6 months or next 1 year, how it would be. So here all three major indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT, for investor point of view, it is indicating very much strong buy. So Nifty as well as IT are showcasing in strong buy, whereas in banks are indicating in buy mode. So yearly data 27 out of 27 positive for Bank Nifty, whereas half yearly it is indicating 10 out of 27 positive and 5 out of 27 are negative, and quarterly 5 out of 27 negative and 10 out of 27 positive. So coming to index top 10s with advanced declines ratio. So daily is indicating somewhat neutral zone for Nifty. Why? Because out of 50, top 10 heavyweights are indicating 5 are in neutral, 3 are in positive and 2 are in neutral. So that's why today there is no much momentum on Nifty. So just it was entire day it was in between, the range was about 109 points only. Whereas in weekly data, it was 6 out of 10 neutral, monthly very much strong, 5 out of 10 are positive. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty weekly data and monthly data are showcasing somewhat green. So majority of the banks are indicating towards upward side. So comparatively, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, so almost all 24 out of 27 positivity from ICICI Bank, whereas HDFC Bank 22 out of 27 positivity. So Axis Bank 27 out of 27 positive side, Indus 27 out of 27 positive. So overall, all three major indices are indicating positive side. So Nifty, the important hurdle would be in between 25,600 to 25,700. That 100 points are very much important. So the next move, if you want to expect till 25,700 would be the major thing. And for Bank Nifty, 52,500 is one of the major hurdle for this month, and we need to focus on that. If Bank Nifty further move, if you want to extend, so we need to clearly watch at 52,500 level, and IT also somewhere 44,000 level would be the major resistance, and 44,000 to 44,500 would be the major zone that is called resistance zone. So that's all about today's analysis. And one more announcement from our side. So about Tradables application. So what are all the understanding points and how to use this application? All these things we are going to cover through seminars. So last Wednesday we conducted first seminar, and this Thursday we are planning to conduct second seminar. So those who are interested to join that webinar, so we have our official email ID info@tradables.com, or we have mobile numbers too on our website. So people who are interested, they can register with us so that our technical team will forward the meeting details. So thank you so much.